So today I'm going to be showcasing all the phases. Well, I can't do the 1,000 kills phase because it's not in button test yet. Okay, now let's start with the first one. I know I've already gone past the second phase. And this is the third phase. My friend joined me. So this is the third phase. Okay, now time for the fifth phase. You're invincible at the moment. This is the sixth phase. And now this is the seventh phase. This is the eighth phase. Yeah, this phase is 250 and it's the eighth phase. This is the ninth phase. Or am I still blue? You get a new walk animation. This is the 10th phase. Got the same music. This is the 11th phase. Why am I still green? Why am I still green? What the hell? Oh, never mind. Okay, now here's the last phase, which is the 12th phase. This is the last phase in button test though, but in the real game, the last is 1,000. This is the max. Why am I walking when I'm not walking? What the fuck? Well, at least I can jump high, that's good. So why the heck am I still running even though I'm not? Like, that's actually weird. Like, what? No. Why was I still blue then? shit. Well, those are all the phases in button test, but there's another one in kill streak, so I can't show that. It takes too long to get.